If you want to know how to repost on Facebook, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to share a post back onto your profile or feed, step by step, so you can repost content quickly and confidently. This is a simple process, but if you're new to Facebook, it helps to know exactly where to tap so you don't miss any options. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is find the post you want to repost on Facebook. This could be a post from a friend, a page, a group, or any content that has sharing enabled. Scroll through your feed, search for the post, or open the page where the post is located. Once you found it, look directly beneath the post for the Share button. Facebook usually places this right alongside the other engagement options like and comment. When you click Share, Facebook will give you a few different sharing options, depending on the type of post and the device you're using. In many cases, you'll see Share Now or Share to Feed. If you want to repost it immediately without changing anything, Share Now is the fastest option. If you want a little more control over how it appears on your profile, choose Share to Feed instead. That lets you review the post before publishing it. After selecting the Share option, you may be taken to a posting screen where you can add your own caption. This is optional, but it's a great way to explain why you're sharing the post or add your own thoughts. You might want to write a short intro, tag someone, or give context so your audience understands why the post is relevant. If you don't want to add anything, you can leave the caption blank and simply repost it as is. Next, take a look at the audience settings. This step is important because it controls who can see your repost. Depending on your account settings, you may be able to choose Public, Friends, or another audience option. If you want the widest reach, choose Public. If you only want people on your friends list to see it, choose Friends. Always double-check this before posting so the repost goes to the right people. Once your caption and audience are set, it's time for the final step. Tap or click Post. Facebook will then publish the repost to your feed, and it will appear just like any other shared post. If you used Share Now, the process may happen almost instantly. If you used Share to Feed, you may see a preview before the final post goes live. And that's really all there is to it. Reposting on Facebook is quick once you know where to look, and now you can share posts to your feed with just a few taps. Whether you're sharing news, updates, memories, or content from a page you follow, this method makes it easy to repost with any confusion. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple social media guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.